Welcome to Drops on LS. So today we're talking about this particular airdrop called the Spheron Network Airdrop. So in this video, I'll be showing you all you need to know and do as regards to this particular airdrop. So you ensure you watch this video to the very end. Okay, if today is your first time joining us or you're yet to subscribe to our new channel, please you do it to support this channel by subscribing to it. You can as well join our communities, okay, so you can always be updated. So as regards to this airdrop, for a brief introduction of this airdrop. Now this particular Spheron network airdrop, they have raised up to $7.05 million so far, and it's has been confirmed. Okay, so it was also launched recently, so it's a good one that we can engage with. Okay, so we would always advise for early airdrop. Okay, you can just join weekly. Okay, so for you to sign up for this one, all you need is just your email. Okay, so head over to the main link there, the description, and then come over here, click on this get whitelisted. So just like I said, you'll be needing our email for us to sign in, so I'll just do all the things as you watch. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and use my Gmail account to log in. So now next I'll be needing a code for you to verify. So once you come over here, ensure you put in the code that you're seeing over here. Okay, so you just click on this member, okay, and then put in the code for you to be able to complete the whole process. Okay, so as you can see, I've already logged into my own account. Okay, so this is the main dashboard for this particular airdrop. Okay, so once you just scroll down you can now see your own referral code. Okay, so you must be referred by someone before you can able to generate your own referral code. Okay, so this is the main dashboard for it. Okay, so now here we're in the mission aspect of this particular airdrop. So now the criteria here is that before we could be able to have access to this mission itself, we must at least be whitelisted. Okay, and then for you to get whitelisted, you need to refer at least 5 persons. Okay, so each person is 200 points, so you need 1000 points for you to be able to have access to this particular mission aspect. Okay, so for now this is a new account, so I'm yet to access this mission. Okay, so now but next thing we have to do here is to come over to the next link. Okay, let's do this one first. Now here they have this Galxe quest that you have to complete. Okay, so just click on the link and then have access to it. So we just do these things together. Okay, so the first one have been approved for us. Okay, so this is just for us being able to access this Galxe site. Okay, now the other ones that are here, there are ones that we can do now, but there are ones that we have to wait for before we can approve it. Like the one I'm seeing, like 7 days. After 7 days you can approve them, but let's just do the ones we can do. So now clicking on the first one, we're going to have access to our Facebook our Twitter page for us to follow this account, and then head back here and then click and claim our points. So we just do all these tasks now for us to see. Okay, so you can just go ahead and do as well with me too. Okay, the next one here is clicking on this. So here we'll be taken to our Discord for us to join their page. Okay, so let's just do this thing together. So now we here, this is the main Discord page. So now once you get here, you have to head over to complete the verification process. So I'll just watch as I do these things. Okay, so once you come over here, you go up, and then you click on verify. Okay, so come down, click on continue. Okay, so let's verify by completing these tasks. Okay, so now here we have been verified. Okay, so let's see any other thing that we can do here for now. So let me just go up and see that I can claim any of these roles I'm seeing here. So let's look at this one first. Okay, so NFT verification, we have not clicked we have not minted any NFT yet. So I think these ones are the ones that you still have to come over here and do later on. Okay, so but the main one here is that we have been verified. Okay, let me just click on this to see anything here. Okay. Nothing here. So, but the main thing here is that we have been verified. So these other ones is the ones that we can do later on. Okay, so now coming back here, let's just verify here. All right. So now the next one is for us to join. Verify for the both of them. So once you do that, click on it, and then once you receive this tick mark, that means you have completed the task. Okay, so let's head over to the next one, which is joining the Telegram page. Okay, so I'm yet to open my Telegram, connect my Telegram to this particular web browser. So I'll just do that and then come back later. Okay, so next one is we continue here on X. Okay, so come back here to like their post. All right, done. So head back and then verify. Okay, so just complete all these ones now. Okay, so next one is to still on Twitter. Head over to Twitter and then follow this account and come back and verify as well too. So all these things we are doing is to ensure that the step-by-step guide is just to guide you guys so you don't miss out in any step. We want you to have the best as regards to any particular airdrop. So if you like what we are doing, please you do it. So like the video, you can also comment and subscribe if you're yet to do that. Okay, so that's where you can support us. So now let's complete this ones. Okay, so repost, come back. So these ones here, they are quite easy to do. So meaning 2 more on X. So let's just do this together. Okay, all right. Okay, repost, come back here and then verify. So we still have one more here for us to complete this one. Okay, I think this is the last one. So just like I said, if you like what we are doing, please like video, share, and then comment as well too. All right, so we still have one here. Okay, now that's the last one. Now this one we are visiting the whitelisted page. So we have done that one. That was the first link that we accessed. Okay, but let's know whether they can verify us. Good. So click on it here and then just come back and let's wait for the timing to finish first. So as you can see, we have completed most of these tasks. Okay, this was just the Telegram one. I will link my Telegram here, this particular web browser, and then complete these ones. Okay, so now this ones here is after 7 days, you can come back and click on that one to come verify. Okay, so let me check for this. Yes, we are verified. Okay, now the last one we have here is for us to refer a friend. Okay, so just come over here, copy your link and then share with your friend. Okay, at least 3 persons is not bad. If you can refer at least 3 persons is not bad. Okay, so I'm coming back here. We are still in the mission aspect. Okay, just like I said that we're supposed to have access to these missions. Okay, but before you could access it, you must at least be whitelisted, and for you to be whitelisted, you must at least refer up to 5 persons. Okay, so you have to have 1,000 points for you to be able to have access to this. So just come over here, copy your link here and then your code and then share with your friends. Okay, so once you have up to like 1,000 code, 1,000 points, you can now be whitelisted. 1,000 points means you must at least refer 5 persons, 200 points for each person. Okay, so that's what we have here. So now let's click on this home section. Let's see what we can have here. So now let's just go down and see. Okay, road to TGE. So that means this one we just have limited time to complete these things before it will be launched. Okay, so let's just do this. Okay, now now next to the next one, the leaderboard. Okay, so here once we have been whitelisted, we will now have access to us being listed here in the leaderboard as well too. So you can see how well we have been doing. So now we still have other ones coming. We still have the spin the wheel and then completing the video missions. Okay, so there's still more to expect in this particular airdrop. Okay, so see it here, 1000 points for it to be whitelisted. So just refer 5%, you will now be whitelisted. Okay, so that's all for now. So just like I said, we still have the other ones coming up. So once there is any more updates, I will ensure that you guys know about. So if you have any question, please do it to ask there in the comment section. Okay, so and if you're yet to subscribe to us and our channel, please do it to support us by subscribing to our channel. So thank you so far, and then see you in the next video.